Hey everyone, welcome back to Click to Cash. In today's video, we're going to explore 10 amazing passive income ideas that can help you make $100 a day or even more with minimal effort. Whether you're looking to start a side hustle or build a full-time income stream, these strategies are perfect for you. And the best part, you don't need to be a financial expert to get started. Make sure you stick around until the end because I'll be sharing some tips on how you can maximize your passive income journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Let's dive right in. Number one, start a blog or website. The first passive income idea that you can start is by creating a blog or website. Blogging is an incredible way to make money while sharing your expertise, passions, or interests. You can monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, ads, or sponsored posts. With platforms like WordPress or Medium, it's easier than ever to get started. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to earn passive income. You promote products or services, and when someone makes a purchase through your unique link, you earn a commission. Platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are great places to start. 3. Create an online course. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not share your knowledge with others? Websites like Teachable and Udemy allow you to create and sell online courses. Whether it's photography, digital marketing, or even cooking, online courses are a fantastic way to generate passive income. 4. Dividend stocks. Investing in dividend stocks is a tried and true way to earn passive income. By investing in companies that pay dividends, you can earn a steady income stream without actively doing anything. If you're just starting out, consider ETFs or index funds that pay dividends. 5. Rent out your space. Do you have extra space in your house, like a spare bedroom or even a parking spot? Renting out your space on platforms like Airbnb or VRBO can be a great way to earn passive income. The more attractive and convenient your space is, the more you can charge. 6. YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel is a fun and creative way to earn passive income. With ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing, YouTube can be a gold mine once you gain traction. Focus on niches with high viewer interest, like tech reviews, personal finance, or travel. 7. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club or Prosper allow you to lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest over time. It's a great option if you have extra funds and want a relatively passive way to grow your wealth. 8. Sell digital products. If you have graphic design, writing, or programming skills, you can sell digital products like ebooks, templates, printables, or stock photos. Websites like Etsy and Gumroad allow you to upload and sell digital products easily, and the income continues to roll in once the product is live. 9. Create an app or software. Building an app or software can be a game changer in terms of passive income. Once you develop your app, you can earn money through ads, in-app purchases, or subscriptions. If you're not a developer, you can hire someone to build the app for you. 10. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. Though they may not make you rich overnight, high-yield savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, offer a safe and reliable way to earn passive income. By parking your money in these accounts, you'll earn interest without lifting a finger. There you have it, 10 passive income ideas that can help you make $100 a day. The key to success is consistency and patience. The more effort you put in at the beginning, the more passive your income will become over time. Remember, the beauty of passive income is that you can make money while you sleep. So, pick an idea that resonates with you, take action, and watch your income grow. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.